Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is API. Friend, this is a very common term. I am sure that if you are a user of Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter, so I am 100% sure that you have definitely heard about this term API. So let's first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. What is API? Friend, API stand for Application Programming Interface, which is the software intermediary that allows two applications to talk to each other. For each time you use an app like Facebook, send an instant messages, check the weather on your phone, you are using an API. API stand for Application Programming Interface. Whenever you need to talk two applications, they need to talk to each other, so we can use the API, Application Programming Interface. Let me give you a very simple example. For example, you have opened uh, a e-commerce solution, e-commerce website, and you want to register on that website. Many times nowadays it happens that they give you an option that you can register through Facebook, you can register through, for example, Twitter, through Gmail, through LinkedIn, etc. So they are giving you many options like that. So basically, see, these are two application. E-commerce solution is a separate application, and the Facebook is another application. So basically, when we need to talk to each two different application, Facebook is a separate application and e-commerce solution is a separate application. When they want to talk to each other, they use the Application Programming Interface, API, through which they can communicate with each other. Now, for example, let me give you a very simple example of API. For example, you went out to restaurant just to take some dinner. For example, you want to have some dinner there. You sit there, and there is in the restaurant there is a kitchen as well. In the kitchen, the people are making the food. Now see, you are a customer, you need a food, okay, and food is preparing in the kitchen. Now how you can communicate with the kitchen, because kitchen is separate and you are sitting at a separate location. So how you can communicate with the kitchen that you need, for example, you need a zinger burger, for example, how you can communicate? So here comes the person name as waiter came here, and he takes your order and give it to the kitchen, and from the kitchen he gets the order and then return it back to you. So this waiter, just imagine, try to understand the concept here. The waiter is the API, Application Programming Interface. Why? Because the customer is talking to the waiter, and waiter talk to kitchen, and then from kitchen he gets the order and then return it back to you. So this is the middleman, or this is the concept of waiter, is basically the API, Application Programming Interface. So when you use an application on your mobile phone, the application connects to the internet and sends data to a server. The server then retrieves that data, interprets it, performs the necessary action and send it back to your phone. The application then interprets that data and present to you with the information you wanted to readable in a readable way. This is what an API all about. This happened via API. This was another example of API. Layer of security, friend. The API, just try to understand that API is also a very secure mechanism as well. Like whenever we are exposing API, we must have to make sure that only the required data should be available. Like for example, if you went take the same example of kitchen, restaurant, you want to buy a burger, you want to have a burger in a dinner. So only the burger will be provided to you when the request goes at kitchen, okay. They will not expose, they will not provide all the food which they are preparing in the kitchen. They will only provide the burger. If you want, like for example, if you want chicken manchurian, for example, so they will only provide you the chicken manchurian. They will not provide you all the data. Same concept applies here in the API as well. Say the API will only provide the data which is exposed to you, which is required to you. The all other data will not be provided to you. So level of security is very high in the API. Modern API adheres to standards like HTTP or REST that are developer friendly, easily accessible. They are treated mobile more like products than code. Because they are much more standardized, they have a much stronger discipline for security and governance. As any other piece of productized software, the modern API has its own software development lifecycle of designing, testing, building, managing, and versioning. Also, modern APIs are well documented for consumption and versioning. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.